Mannhart. And what is this? This is a travel mug. Yep, it is a travel mug, and we can see here, keep hot for 8 hours, keep ice for 24 hours, BPA free, no bisphenol A, premium 18 to 8 stainless steel. That's very nice, because if you're going to buy a travel mug, you need to have a stainless steel inside, that it will keep the germs and everything out. Double wall, vacuum insulation, awake your urban variety. This is from Spigen. It says here spigen.com. Well, let's see what we have inside. And there it is. Mannhart, awake your urban variety. Super light travel mug. Okay, 500 ml, very good. Quick and easy lid open. Extraordinary heat keeping. Okay, wash before use, hand wash recommended. Do not microwave, do not freeze. Nice. Oh, let's check out. I like the color, and it unlocks like that. Push the button, pops up. Quite nice. We can see some rubber seal here. It will prevent your lovely coffee or whatever it's suitable for you to drink to get out. I think, of course, it will open just like that. You can see the stainless steel. Oh, we have some instruction manual. I love manual. Okay, come on out, manual. Come on out, manual. Well, it will come out somehow. Of course, if you want to read your manual, of course, it's your choice. You know my slogan. Well, rubber seal we've got, as we are going to tighten it enough here. Yep, it will seal. No leaks will prevent to go out. Very nice stainless steel inside. That's nice. It feels nice in the hand. Definitely it will do the job. Fill up to here, release the steam. Nice. And there it is. I just fill it with water just for testing if we have any leaks, but nothing, everything is okay. It's nice and tight. And that was all about this Mannhart travel mug, light travel mug. Definitely I will put some coffee inside, and I will try to see how nice it will keep my coffee. And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos are coming. And definitely you don't want to miss it, because I'm Andrew. I buy these products, I test it, and I'm saying my honest opinion. Don't forget that. Ciao, adios.